One here is, I do have a new small company. Do I have to have my own tax ID number? Excellent question. And the fact is, you don't have to have your own tax ID number just because you have a new company. If you have a new small business that you're not organized as, say, a corporation or an LLC or some other entity type like that, then what I think you don't have to have a separate EIN unless you're going to have employees. Okay, if you know that you're going to have employees in your new business, then you have to have an EIN. Using your Social Security number on your Schedule C as a small business is certainly acceptable. Now, one thing to keep in mind is if you like using your Social Security number, that certainly works. I like the idea, even if you're not required to have that new EIN number just for your small business, I like the idea of getting one anyway. And the reason I like that is because I really don't like the idea of putting my Social Security out there in any more places than I absolutely have to. When you fill out that Schedule C, you send that to the IRS. Now, they have your tax information anyway. The IRS already has your Social Security number. You guys probably already knew that. But as a small business owner, you're also going to be asked by a number of your clients to put that tax ID number for your new business on a Form W-9. That's how they get the information to send to the IRS for payments they make to you. I don't like the idea of putting my Social Security number on all those W-9s out there for my new clients. If you get an EIN for your new business, now when you go to fill out that W-9, you don't have to put your Social Security number on that. So I think that's a great idea for the small business. Now, real quickly, let's go and let's show you exactly how to get that EIN for your new business. Pretty easy form also for the IRS. Go right up to the IRS site, and the form that you're going to be looking for is Form SS4. SS4, pretty easy form. You'll see this here on the screen now. The parts near at the top, basically the name of your company, the address, pretty easy questions. Here's the process though. You don't actually have to send this form in. Download the form. You can get it right here at mahalodotcom, print that form off and fill it out. Answer the questions. Then you can actually call the IRS and they'll give you the number over the phone. They also have a brand new service that you go right online at irs.gov, fill out the form, and electronically get your new EIN number. Now, if you're old school, you can fax the form in, you can mail it in, and in 2 or 3 weeks they'll send you your EIN number and all's nice and hunky-dory. That's great, but most of us like stuff now, which is why you guys are waiting till the last minute, right? Okay, that's good. But you can go right online, you can call them on the phone, and they'll give you a new EIN for your small business right there on the phone. Then the next time you need to fill out one of those W-9s that we talked about, you've got a brand new EIN for your small business, and everything's great. We don't have to worry about all that identity theft that's probably overblown these days, but you know, I don't like to have my Social Security number out there any more than I have to. So, bottom line question, the answer to the question, you don't have to have that EIN number for the business, but I really think it's a good idea.